What's the meaning of condescend? Condescend. Condescend.
Condescend. Condescend. The word condescend means to behave in a superior manner towards someone considered as inferior. It is an act of showing arrogance or disdain towards others, often based on one's supposed superiority in terms of social status, knowledge, or ability. This behavior can be insulting and demeaning to the other person and can lead to resentment and animosity. Therefore, it's important to avoid condescending attitudes and treat everyone with respect and dignity, regardless of any perceived differences or inequalities.